Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to call it Fun Friday, and what I'd like to do today is show you how to use Notebook LM and create an infographic. Now, I'm going to keep it really simple. We're going to have a fun file to deal with, and it's only going to be one source, but I want you to imagine using multiple sources to create this infographic, compiling information and analyzing it maybe from a different perspective. So let's go ahead and get busy. I am going to go to the left side of my screen, click on New Notebook. We're going to add this source from my Google Drive. So I'm going to go to my Drive icon in the middle of our screen, and I am going to click my Star Wars timesheet. Yes, you heard me correctly. A little bit of my inner geekdom coming out. We're going to add that as the sole source. Once again, imagine you uploading multiple sources here into your notebook. So I'm going to just go ahead and give this a quick title just so I can keep track of what it is. Star Wars and Notebook. Leave that alone. Then we're going to use the studio to the right side of the screen. And I think this is a very underutilized piece. I know some people are starting to use the Gemini app in order to create these infographics, but I don't know if people are using the infographics quite yet here in Notebook, and I wanted to show it to you because I think it's a really cool piece to use, especially since now as a society, we are very visual. So we're going to click on that infographic icon to the far right side of our screen. We're going to click on that. We're going to let it do its thing. You'll see that just below this, it's generating that infographic. When it's done, we'll click on it and we'll have a look and see what it gave me. All right, it's created that infographic, as you can see just above. We're going to click on that in just a minute, but I want to show you what is the source that I'm actually working on. Now, if you'd like to view your source in Notebook, you can click on it from here, and it will show you the information. So you can see it's going to give me a little bit of a view. I can spread this out so I can see more of it, but essentially it's just kind of a goofy spreadsheet for information about projects taken in the Star Wars realm, and who did it, how many hours they are, and the specific project name. That's essentially it for what the information is. So now let's have a look at what it gave us as that infographic. We're going to click to the far right side of our screen. Let's click on that. And there we go. So it's a galactic labor audit. So it's tracking time of everything that was done. And this is actually kind of neat and cool with the cool graphics that are associated with it. So it's kind of neat, kind of cool to do in terms of a graphic. And this was just a fun one, like I said, getting a little goofy here on a Friday afternoon. But I wanted to show you the power of that tool. Now, if you'd like to see the sheet itself, let me get into my Google Drive. We'll find that sheet. And you'll see here to the left, there's the date, how many hours, the projects on the left side of our screen there, notes about that particular task, and then to the right side, the person who did it. Pivot table wise, just a real quick glance, I just kind of organized it by what is the actual project and then the sum of hours for it. But if we go back to our Notebook LM, instead of doing all that, I can just get a quick visual on things. And depending on your data, maybe it's going to generate multiple graphs or charts that you can utilize to help you out. So with that, I just wanted to show you something fun to do on Friday. Get into Notebook LM if you have not already done it. It's really awesome. You can add up to 300, maybe even 500 sources depending on your license type. And then you can work with the information maybe in a completely different way. And don't forget also with your sources, you don't have to have it analyze all of your sources at the same time. You can pick which ones you want it to use and then generate the infographics and then some. All right, well with that, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and until we meet again, this is Triple G, Gary the Google Guy, signing off, signing out.